Good morning, everybody. Jim here with Totally Relaxed. It's Monday the 28th of November, and as you can see, John and Eddie are back over here at my van fixing to put in the Maxx Aire fan. And right now, let me show you what they're doing. The piping that was, Eddie, step back just a second. That ugly piping that was right there, they took that out, and now they're going to cover the wall up with some of the paneling I had left over for the floor. So that's what they're doing right now. Okay, right here Eddie is putting the last little plate, that big old vent that was right there. I had him cut that off because I'm not using the bathroom or the shower because there's not enough room in there for this fat boy to take a shower in there anyway. So he's sealing off that hole right there. And he went ahead and used some extra planks I had left over from when they did the floor install. And right there is where they ran the wires through. This orange cord right there, I can plug into any outlet from the box in the rear, and it'll charge the battery up in this generator. And the black one that's plugged in right there underneath Eddie's knee will be supplying power to the whole house area for lights and everything. Now ain't that cool? I think so anyway. And John is in the process of putting the Maxx Aire fan I bought in, taking the other one out I should say. So I'll get back with you here in just a little bit. Right here John is cutting molding to go around the floor underneath the right above the flooring you put in last week to make it even prettier. He said he had to look at one of my videos to match the molding he bought. Now is that the color? Now is that the right man to do the job or what? Say hi to YouTube, John.
Hi to YouTube.
And there's Eddie. Say hi, Eddie. So I guess when I get done with that, he'll start working on the vent fan later.
That's what we came to do.
And there it is right there in my neighbor's trailer sitting there. So anyway, get back to you a little bit. What's going on here is instead of using my shore power cord to plug it in at RV park, which I won't be doing, but on a rare occasion, we're going to use a shore power cord to run straight through. Instead of going underneath the van and back up into the floor, we're running underneath the bed straight into the wall where that big gaping hole was, and that way it'll plug straight into my Ecoflow Delta Pro solar generator. He's also got this yellow cord back here to where if I need to charge the battery on the Ecoflow, I can plug it into any AC outlet wherever I'm at. Love it, love it, love it. That cord down there in the bottom beside, here, let's see, right here, goes to the Onan generator. So hopefully that'll be coming out here pretty soon as well, once I get to San Antonio. So anyway, they're doing great, as usual. I love these guys. I couldn't have found a better RV guy to do my work, I swear. Okay, I'll get back with you in a little bit. I just wanted to show you all this while John's out there cutting some more molding. Check this out. Bam. Bam. And it works because of this right there. My Ecoflow Delta Pro. Makes me feel good now that I spent $3,500 for that bad boy. Yeah, you're gonna put molding all the way around them where you put the flooring in the other day, and in front right here I'm sure too. So it'll look good when you're done. He's already got some back here. And also the air conditioner works in there. Believe it or not, the air conditioner works. Amazing. Probably can't even see it. It's so dark in here. Let me get out of John's way. I'm holding up holding up progress.
Oh, we just got like 14 jobs at once.
Okay, there it is, 4 spans. The Maxx Aire fan, the last part is going in.
I don't think that one's something.
And it is running right now. I got it on full blast. Of course, I guess with the windows up and everything, and I don't know, it's blowing pretty good.
That's fine.
Okay, another job out of the way and done. Okay. Wait a minute, I didn't catch that. Do that again. John told me earlier, he said when he was outside working on the cords on the rear of the van, he says, every time I think I'm gonna be a movie star in this movie, he said, I hear you say, stop recording. Okay, everybody, John and Eddie have left for the day, and it is now about 10 minutes to 2 in the afternoon. They left about, I don't know, 30-40 minutes ago. But as you can see, all the lights are working, everything's powered up, all because of that bad boy right there, my Ecoflow Delta Pro 3600 watt solar power unit. I don't know if you can see it or not, but behind it, like on the wall, he used some of my leftover flooring, covered up that big hole over there in the corner back yonder. He went around and put molding down everywhere that he didn't have last week. And he ran wire, the big cable right there you see is the shore power cable. He ran that underneath the bed from the back compartment on the driver's side all the way through the walls so I could plug it into my solar unit right there. And also there's a yellow cord plugged in back there in the back compartment, and it's got about 150 foot of cord, so if I need to plug in anywhere to charge the generator, bada bing bada bong. The man did a wonderful job. And of course, over here on this side of the desk is my Vivitar, I guess that's how you pronounce it, V-E-V-O-R, 63 quart dual purpose freezer cooler. But anyway, I just want to show y'all the final results. And back there on the bed frame, I'll be getting my mattress in tomorrow, hopefully. So thanks for watching. Spread my channel to all your friends and ask them if they'll check my channel out and even subscribe. Have a great day and be safe. Bye bye.